Guys, we have today an aeroplane. Honey, bring your aeroplane here. Okay, now what we are going to do, this aeroplane cross this way and this will cross this way. So first we will, wait honey, let's see, will it be able to overcome all the hurdles? Yes. One, two, three. Yay! Drop it another way. Honey, leave your aeroplane. Yay! What is happening right here? Wait, honey. Yes, leave it. Let it go. Let it be free, honey. Yay! I dropped my aeroplane. Oh no. Your aeroplane went down. One, two. Yay, three.
1, 2.
Three draw. Oh wow, it is faster than me. Well done.
Hurry.
Okay, one more time. Let it go. One, ready,
Ready,
steady,
set.
and go.